We're here at the AMA conference for our first day of activities, and we're kicking it off with a motocross dirt bike riding workshop. So we're here. These are our bikes.
Alrighty. Lightweight and your feet don't touch the ground. It's going to be a great day.
Barbara Nicholas from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I started riding dirt bikes at 9, but totally uninstructed, Yahoo, hillbilly, jumping. People influenced dirt bike riding.
Yeah.
Now's a good time to shed.
Yeah.
Later.
Started in second gear. What a rookie.
Squeeze in with your legs, right? With the bike. We'll turn that way. A little looser knee. There you go. Let the bike move.
Good job.
I
have a lot to learn.
Mandy and I,
No broken bones.
That's all that matters.